Hello and welcome to VR Sketch. In this tutorial we're going to be walking through the push-pull command as well as the extrude command. Starting off with push-pull. To use it, you just select any face you'd like to push, pull the trigger once, and then you can either push or pull it to whatever size you'd like. Just like that. The extrude tool is very similar, but you'll see you can also pull it away at a different angle, which you can't do with the push-pull tool. Here we can go at angles, whereas with the push-pull one, it is locked to perpendicular to that face. Okay, that's it for the push-pull and extrude tool. Thank you very much for watching.